have some great discussions going on with Pakistan about a lot of things, including the Taliban and Afghanistan and many other things. And trade, I think, maybe is one of the most important. We're going to increase trade with Pakistan by a tremendous margin. We do a very small amount of trade with them, and they want to do a large, and so do we, and we should be able to do that, I think, Wilbur, very easily. So we're going to double, triple, quadruple the trade. It will be very easy to do. They make great product, and so do we. And I was really shocked when I saw the original numbers from last year and the year before and for many years that the trade with Pakistan isn't much greater, but it could be many times the number. So we'll be talking about trade and other things, and it's an honor to be with you. Thank you very much. Please.
I look forward, Mr. President, to talk to you about, obviously, Afghanistan, which is a big issue for us Pakistanis, because stability in Afghanistan means stability in Pakistan. We also want to talk about all three neighbors, Afghanistan, India, Kashmir, and of course Iran. We will discuss the situation there, because all three neighbors of Pakistan.
He lives in a very friendly neighborhood.
I mean, as if there are not already enough challenges.
Mr. President, after your last meeting with the Prime Minister, you offered to mediate between India and Pakistan over Kashmir. And since then, the situation has gotten more complicated, and India continues to deny or accept any mediation. So where does the offer stand now, and don't you think...
It would always stand. If I can help, I would certainly do that. And it will be dependent on both of these gentlemen. One without the other doesn't work if you're going to do mediation or if you're going to do an arbitration. But certainly I would be willing to help if both Pakistan, let's say, and India wanted me to do that. I am ready, willing, and able. It's a complex issue. It's been going on for a long time. But if both wanted it, I would be ready to do it.